Please be original. I ask. Yes! Okay, we're good. I don't need a plan C. I like the UD buttons. This is a Seaberg. Ooh, classic leveling. Oh, wow. Ooh, they light up too. I think it's a tiny little thing. Oh, there's the motor room. Wow, there's like a whole lot of nothing down here. Oh, there's a bumper. Let's see if it works. Relay. I guess that's a bumper. Oh yeah, that is a bumper. It's not one of those pushing ones. It's like a relay one. Like a clicky bumper. Oh. Cancels calls. Well, let's listen to the motor there. Motor. Whoa, jeez. We'll take it for a full ride and then we'll just take it up to one after. Actually, I almost. Pretty much nothing was done to this one. Only thing that was really changed was the motor.
No problem.
Indicator like sort of works. It acts a bit strange though. Cab is most definitely original. Got the classic tray lighting. Look at that cone-shaped fan. I love this button panel. I love these Seaberg buttons. The machine room is right here. And what? Wow. Okay, well. We have an open machine room. And I don't see any stairways, so I'm forced to take this thing upstairs. This button's not in the best shape. Like someone smoked a cigarette on it. Is there an indicator? That's funny. Yeah, see, look. I'll demonstrate the bumper really quickly. Oh, it didn't cancel the call that time. Maybe I didn't press it before. Okay, so it does remember calls. Second ever Seaberg. I love seeing these in the field. This is my third time seeing these buttons. The one time I found was a Turnbull. Okay, let's watch it level. Did you just skip one? Hello? I asked for one. I asked for the first part, please. I gotta talk over the music, blah, 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 blah. Come on, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. I don't think this button really works right. Okay, I'm gonna hold it down. See what happens. Okay. Okay, oh, jeez, what the flip? I'll have to talk with the music. Oh, I like the frame up here. This is actually where I'm going to get my thumbnail. Let it close. I gotta talk with the music. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah. There goes, and that's it. And I get to take the stairs now because this is only go to 1. Bye.